What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
So we was riding dirt bikes, and then, I was recording. It fell on my hand, and the dude behind me ran it over, so I need a new phone. And if it's possible, could we, like, change color, too? Because, I don't really like the black anymore.
Don't worry, I got you.
All right.
Phone is still working. Can't believe it. Time to change colors. Back housing is out. Front screen is out. Your phone is ready, miss.
Stop playing, boy.
Look
Let
at
me
this.
see this. You see
Nah,
that
that shit
shit?
clean.
Stop
Oh.
playing. All right, good looks, bro. I
Yep.
appreciate
Nah,
that.
he did
Word.
mad good.